new DJI Mini 2 drone. I got it for Christmas and it includes the Fly More combo, which itself includes, over here we see, the drone itself, a shoulder bag, a remote controller, 3 flight batteries, spare blades, 3 pairs, and spare joysticks. Also it has a screwdriver and a shoulder bag so that you can carry it wherever you want. So now let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. There it is, the DJI Mini 2 drone. Okay, so there we have the shoulder bag at the top. There it is. I think it may contain the drone itself so that they don't waste too much. Oh yeah, it contains actually everything. Everything is in the shoulder bag. So we'll leave the box aside and we'll open the shoulder bag. Oh, yes. So, first thing we see is documentation, accessories, the remote controller, and the drone. So as you can see, the drone is very light. It's 249 grams only, and it fits in your hand. Okay, how do you take this off? Okay. There you go. So this thing is used to protect the propeller blades for turning around and possibly getting broken. Then we have the camera cover so that the camera doesn't get broken while the thing is in transit from the store to here, anything. And yes, some other pieces of tape right here. And there's the camera. I thought it was going to be bigger than this. It's too small. Okay. Yep, we can take this off. Over here it says how do you unfold the propellers, but I already know that. Oh, and yeah, and then over here you can see there's a little door. You put the battery in here. Okay. Oopsies. So first you have to unfold these ones, because if you don't unfold these propellers first, these ones you will open them, but this one is gonna get stuck in the folded position. And there we have it. The DJI Mini 2 drone. Now after we open the drone, now we're gonna open the accessories. So here we first open the documentation. They have a little QR code on it. I'm just gonna take it off and open this up. So here we have the DJI Mini 2 Quick Start Guide. The future of possible. Some thingy. DJI Mini 2 two-way charging hub instructions. Then some Chinese instructions. DJI Mini 2 disclaimer and safety guidelines. So you should probably read that. Okay, now we put this away. Now we're gonna open the controller. The controller is in the bag, so we're gonna just rip the bag because we'll probably not need it anymore. So there is the controller. Here you have the joysticks. Hold them in here so that when you transport the remote, they don't get lost or broken or anything. Here you have the power on button, the mode, normal mode, sport mode, and sign mode. I don't know what that means. And auto land. Here you have FN. I don't know what that means, but we'll figure it out. Here we have a spinning blade or something. Here's some plastic thing. Oh, this is the phone holder, because you put your phone on the controller, so then when you control the drone, you can see the footage from the drone camera. And that's why they had RC cables, 3 of them, because different phones have different ports in them, and then so that every single phone could work with the drone. And here we have a microphone or a speaker, I don't know. The drone itself doesn't record any audio, so the only audio you can get is from the controller. So yeah, that's probably it for the controller. I'll put it aside. Instructions, and now the accessories. So in accessories, I believe we're gonna have all the other things. And yes, we did. So here we have the cables, RC cables. There's 2 of them. Okay. And here we have another one. Nice. Then we have the charging brick, which thank God they still include it, unlike some other phone manufacturers. And here I believe we have the 3 batteries or the charging hub. Oh yeah, we have 2 batteries and the charging hub. What they did is to save space. They put 1 battery in the drone, and then the other 2 they put it in the charging hub, and the charging hub is here. Bag, or whatever it is. And there's the charging hub. It also displays, there are dots over here. I believe those are lamps. So when you see, you can know when the battery is charged so that you can use it for your drone. And if it's not charged, it will display here, like say like only 1 light is lighting up or 4. And I believe that's how it works. But we will figure that out later when we'll finally start to use the drone. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what's other about the shoulder bag. Some compartments, whatever they have. They have a silica gel bag. Here you put the accessory stuff and the drone. The drone goes here, and some other things you may put in your bag. Also, over here, it has another compartment, which you can put some documentations, I guess, because this pocket is not really big. So I guess you put some small stuff like maybe cables or charging brick, anything else. And yeah, otherwise there's nothing really, anything else in the bag. So I forgot to mention some things about the hub and the bag. So the bag is made of some water repellent material, because it's not like usual cloth bags, whatever you use, plastic bags. It has some really cool material on it. And I forgot about another compartment over here in this. Oh yeah, so here they have the propeller blades, the screwdriver, more propeller blades, and the spare joysticks. And that's it. So yeah, if you accidentally break your blades, you can just have this in the pocket over here, and then you take them out and you just replace them. Yes, the bag again is water repellent, water resistant, so if you go out in the rain with the bag, it probably won't, the water won't probably go in the bag and damage your drone, whatever you have in there. The drone itself is actually not waterproof or water resistant, and DJI does not recommend you flying it in rain or snow. Okay, now the bag and the charging hub. The charging hub, you can use it as a power bank. You can use it to charge your phone, your drone batteries, and anything else that you charge if you go camping or anywhere else. And I'm so excited to fly this drone. So, yeah, we'll see you when I finally get to fly this drone in my next video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment on this video, and please share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos about Teslas, me gold panning, or any other type of adventures, you can just visit my channel and again subscribe to it. I really appreciate that. So yes, have a nice day and see you in my next video.